So what's up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? We are back with more Guns of Boom. No, don't get me twisted. I love me some Guns of Boom. As you guys can tell, I do a lot of gameplay footage for Guns of Boom. Actually, I've done a lot of gameplay, but I don't have a lot of it recorded. Oh, look at the frames per second. It's actually smoother. They just went through an update for Guns of Boom, and it looks like the gameplay is a whole lot smoother than it used to be. Maybe they updated some. Well, they did do an update, so they updated some things, and yeah, much better. So a lot smoother. I don't know if you guys can tell or not from my other videos, but a lot smoother, a whole lot smoother. As you guys can tell, again, back at it with the machine gun. And oh, he got me. The sniper got me. See, again, I know you guys have probably heard me say this before if you saw some of my other videos. Not real big on snipers. I think snipers, there's a place for snipers, don't get me wrong. A lot of people that I know like to do the whole sniping thing. I just think snipers, well, he snuck up on me out of nowhere. I think snipers are, I don't want to call them cowards, but I think they need to be more hand-to-hand, you know, but some people just like that, you know, kill them from a distance kind of thing, but, you know, it is what it is. So there's a guy standing in that window over there. That's a sniper. He got me. So right now we're still trying to get to level 28. I've been playing some other games recently, so I haven't been playing as much Guns of Boom, but I'm still trying to get to level 28. Sniper again. Here we go. I gotta sneak up on this guy. It sucks when your energy goes down, but it looks like we're in a decent spot. I mean, we're not 100%, but it looks like we're doing okay. We are winning right now. Doesn't mean that we will continue to win, but we are doing okay. And that guy is still standing in that window. It drives me nuts. Let's see if he comes back out. Yep, he did. Oh, I didn't get him. I guess somebody else chased him out of there. Okay. I want to sneak up on this sniper. There we go. Get out of that window. Oh, sorry, door. Get out of that door. I love giving it to these guys that are hiding, man. They'll set out from a distance and they take pot shots at you. And, oh, I love it. I see. He's trying to respawn and get the snipe on. Come on, man. Alright, so we're slightly in the lead. We're slightly in the lead. I feel like I'm doing my part. I don't know about everybody else.
Kill assist.
I hear some gunfire over in the distance. And I think that was that sniper again. He probably got me. Hit me with another sniper bullet. That's okay. Yep. So I'm curious to see how many kills this guy has, the sniper. But I guess we'll see. And yeah, I guess you guys can kind of tell I like going in the same direction out there. There's that sniper again. I want to sneak up on him. He's hanging out somewhere. He knows I'm coming after him. Oh, we lost first place. No way. Come on, guys. I mean, I don't know how many kills the guys on my team have. Oh, man, we lost. Come on. We got to give it one more try. We got to try it again. I had the most kills, as usual. I normally have pretty much the most kills, but we got to try this again. We're going to give it one more shot. We always do 2 videos. I mean, we always play 2 games in one video. So we're going to give it one more shot before we end the video. Remember, guys, to hit the like, subscribe button, and notification bell as well. A lot of people forget that. Just one extra click, and you will be updated of all of our newest videos. First blood, double kill. That is an excellent way to start the game off. And looks like I will get a 3rd kill. And oh, I'm trying to survive it. Can I survive it? No, I couldn't survive it. Golly. Those fire bullets, boy. Oof, hate them, man. I hate them. You know, I hate the fire bullets. He got me. He got me. It's hard, man, when a guy comes up from behind you. There's nothing you can do. And this guy is just sneaking up on everybody. Man, he probably killed like 3 of us in a row. Alright, where's everybody at? Come on. There's one. He's over there. Okay. Can we get him? Can we get him? Can we get him? We got him. Now, one of the tips I would say after, if you're shooting at somebody and you got your bead on them, just keep shooting. Just keep going. I mean, if somebody's shooting right back at you, I mean, it's you against them. That's what it is. If somebody comes up from the side and you notice that you're taking damage from the side, just take the damage. Just take it. He tried to sneak up. See, if I would have just stood there and killed whoever I needed to kill, or tried to, that guy would have snuck up on me and got me. Shotgun, man. I hate those shotguns. Somebody else died nearby.
Headshots.
Oh, he got me. Come on.
Kill assist.
Onslaught? I may have to look into that gun. Can I get some revenge? Yes, I can. Kill assist. Kill assist? Are you serious? Oh, wait a minute. Can I get that? Oh, I like that. I like that onslaught. Okay. I may have to look into getting that gun. I'll look into it. I don't know if I'm going to get it or not. And we're down again. We were just down in the other game, and now we're down again?
Go boom.
Come on, guys. Come on. What are we doing out here? Come on. We got to play a little bit smarter. Somebody's coming up from behind over there. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh, come on, barely. Look at his health. Oh, he is barely alive. Are you serious? This is where the fire bullets come in handy. He's around that corner again. He's trying to... Got him. Okay. Oh, almost got him with a grenade. Come on. No, almost got him. Is he over here? He dropped down. I seen him jump down. Oh, somebody must have got him. They got him. And we are up. Okay, good. That means we're getting the job done right now. I love it. Oh, come on. So 15 seconds. All right. Well, yeah, I think this is about it. I think we may have this one in the bag here. Yeah, we got it. We got it. Well, thanks for hanging out with us, guys. I gotta run. This is my time. Thanks for kicking it. Second place. Come on, I need first place. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. And we are out of here. You know, if you have a game that, oh, you know, we lost. Are you serious? Oh, I just noticed that. Wow. Anyway, if you got a game that you think will be better than Guns of Boom, let me know, and we'll give that a shot too. And we'll see you in the next video. We out.